We are a professional manufacturer based in China, specializing in roll-forming machines, tube mill lines, solar mounting channel production lines, and unistrut channel lines. Our state-of-the-art machines are exported worldwide and used in industries like construction, automotive, infrastructure, and solar energy. This video shows the production process of a high-quality solar rack roll-forming machine production line. Each unit undergoes 72+ hours of trial runs with live material before shipment. Equipped with a brand-name motor, this machine increases production by 40% compared to conventional models. This machine works extremely efficiently, reduces manufacturing costs, and shortens lead times. Steelmama always give you proper solution.